Hey everyone, it's Dr. West and Louie at the West Clinic. We're kind of wrapping up Louie's treatment program, and it was just a really good time to say, hey, I would like you to share your story of outcomes and hope with other people. And so, Louie, you, where do you come from?
Santa Ana, California.
Santa Ana, California. You travel all the way to the booming megatropolis of Pocatello.
Yeah.
Okay. And what initially brought you in here? Like what healthcare concern was the trigger to come to the office?
And mold.
Okay, so we had some junk with system, and mold's one of those nasty little critters because it really looks a lot like liver tissue, and so a lot of the traditional mold treatments is kind of a race to get rid of mold or to kill your liver. And so you're looking for ways to try and help your physiology, and so the initial workup, we took a look at your blood, and what did we discover?
That I had mold.
Yeah, there was a whole bunch in there. So yeah, not a trick question at all. He said, hey, I think I have mold, and we did the assessment, and we said, you know what, a patient's intuition is right, you got mold. And so now we've done a series of treatments, and how do you feel?
A lot better.
Yeah, so, and the thing, when you say a lot better, like specifically, like what areas seem to be improved?
My energy is up.
You're right. So which is the biggest problem with when patients don't feel good? Like that's not a medical diagnosis, but it's the truth. People run out of energy and then they don't feel good. Yeah. So when we go to treat people, that's one of the first things we're looking for. Your energy's improved. What else?
My weight went down, even though I didn't want it to.
Right.
But it's not in a bad place.
Right. Right. So it's a healthy weight, healthy, a target body weight. Any other things that were improved? So my perception or my interaction with Louie, like one is a mental outlook has totally changed. Like, and what I mean by that, he wasn't, depressed or unhappy when he came in, but he wasn't the same as who we're talking to him now. Like there's a mental clarity that it's our observation that's really significantly improved. And you guys can't may see behind the camera, but she's shaking her head. But did you perceive that? Like some mental clear out?
And just coming here, the love that your staff has for the patients and the staff have for each other and the help that your staff does for each other is just fun to come.
So that was a commitment that we made. Like we can't help a patient have a good experience if it's not a good place to work. And so that we just really want to focus in on, my team's great, but that's by design too.
Yeah.
Okay, so the treatments that we did for you, we did some IV vitamin C, we did some chelation treatments that we want to pull out, schmutz and bad guys and stuff like that. Any other treatments that you would want people to be aware of?
I had I'm trying to think of the word, where the magnets are used.
Yes.
Prostate problem.
Right, so we have a PMF therapy, a pulse electromagnetic frequency treatment. It's like a little donut that you can sit on, and prostate, concerns for males. If you live long enough, you're gonna die with prostate problems or from prostate problems, and so that treatment really helps that organ it's basically like a prostate massage, but it's not invasive. Okay, so Louie, we got ready to do your exit interview, and we were doing some things. We have a follow-up coming up in September, and you came out and you kind of tapped. You said, "Hey, thanks for what you're doing and for your team and for your staff." And I'm so grateful for that our paths crossed, because I'm different, and I know you're different too, and it was nice to take care of you and your wife. Any suggestions or recommendations for people that have mold concerns, like any suggestions for them through your healthcare journey on mold? Any suggestions or recommendations to people watching this?
Come, you'll enjoy it. It's fun to come here. The patients interact like they were family. It's just, I've never seen anything like it.
Well, thanks, Louie. We love you and your wife. We're so excited you're part of the West Clinic family. It's okay if I share this with people on social media?
Absolutely.
All right, so Dr. West and Louie checking out on the daily dose vitamin H at the West Clinic. Mold toxicity, there are options. It'll help your energy. It'll help you get to your healthy body weight. It'll help mental clarity. It's worth it to come all the way from Santa Ana, California. We'll see you guys on the next video.